Susie here, and I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you all are having a good weekend. It is Friday when I'm filming this. I don't know what day this video is going to go up, but today I'm sharing with you guys a Bath and Body Works haul. It's not something I do very often on my channel. I do love Bath and Body Works, but I definitely am not someone who shops there all the time. But when they have their semi-annual sale, I do like to stock up on their items, especially their shower gels, because I absolutely love their shower gels. I'm not really much for their body lotions. I find that they're really greasy for me, but I love their shower gels because you really don't even have to put on perfume or body spray or anything afterwards. You get out of the shower and you literally smell like a fragrance. It is so wonderful. They don't dry out my skin or anything. I'm not like allergic to the scents or anything. I just always have been very pleased with their shower gels, and I absolutely love them. The body lotions are not my fave, and I do really like their body sprays, but I always stock up on the shower gels. And during the semi-annual sale, everything is, well, not everything, but everything in the sale is 75% off. Even their candles, which I know a lot of people love their candles, and I love their candles as well, but I didn't get any candles this time around. So I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. I picked up 7 items total. Yes. And then I've got 2 items in here that I cannot remember if I ever hauled these in a previous Bath and Body Works haul. I don't feel like I did. I feel like I didn't film that. So I'm going to include them in this haul because it wasn't that long ago that I got them. And they are still fairly like sort of new to me, I guess. So anyway, let's get started and I'll show you guys what I picked up. All of the shower gels were $3.85, I believe, and the one body lotion that I got on accident was also $3.85, and then I believe these body sprays were either $3.85 or they might have been $5 a piece, but either way, I really don't care because I absolutely love the way they smell. So let's first start off with the body lotion because I only got one of those. This is the Beach Nights Summer Marshmallow Body Lotion, and I meant to get the shower gel and somehow I clicked on body lotion, but this one is a really good scent. I love the way it smells. It has a really nice, I wouldn't say light, but not an overpowering scent. It says the notes on this are toasted marshmallow, sea salt breeze, s'mores, accord, beach driftwood, and creamy vanilla. And it does smell really nice. I do like it. You definitely get a little bit of the vanilla, maybe like a marshmallow scent. It smells good. It smells kind of like a really nice smelling suntan lotion to me. So it's okay. I wish I'd gotten the shower gel, but I'll definitely get some use out of that. Let's go ahead and jump into the shower gels because I did pick up 4 of those, but I'm going to start off by showing you guys the ones that I got in a previous haul that I don't think I've showed you guys in a haul yet. This one I have used already. I've used almost half of it. This is the Cucumber Melon. Everybody and their mother has smelled this. This is like a classic scent. This is something that's been out forever in Bath and Body Works, and I do like it, but it is someone that I kind of get bored of easily. Like, I'll use it for a little while, then I'll like stop using it, then I'll use it for a little while, then I'll stop using it, just because if I like was to seriously use this every day, I would get so bored of it. It is crisp cucumber, watery honeydew, summer cantaloupe, sparkling grapefruit, and sheer woods, and honestly, this is very melon to me. Like, this is more melon than cucumber to me. So if you like the smell of melons, you will really like this. But yes, I got this actually in a previous semi-annual haul that I don't think I ever posted on my channel. And then this one is the Wild Honeysuckle Shower Gel, and I think I have used a little bit of this one. I used it for a very short period of time. This one is watery honeydew, honeysuckle, rain-kissed jasmine, orange flower, and white woods. This one I do really like the scent of. It is very floral though when you're in the shower. It can be a bit overpowering if you don't like floral scents, but I do really like it, and I will be getting some use out of that and finishing those off. Then for the 4 that I got in the semi-annual haul, this time I got the Get Happy White Peach Sangria Shower Gel. And that's what that one looks like. This is white peach nectar, fresh tangerine, sparkling prosecco, sweet hibiscus, and golden sugar. And this one is probably my favorite out of all of them. Well, maybe like tied for favorite out of all of the ones that I got. I absolutely love this scent. It definitely has a peach scent to it. And I do smell a little bit of that jasmine in there. And of course the tangerine or whatever it is, fresh tangerine. Yeah. It smells wonderful. I love the scent of this because I love fresh, clean scents, and this one is definitely a really nice, fresh, clean, fruity smell. So I am gonna be happily getting some use out of this. Really, really like it. That is definitely one of my favorites that I've got. And my second favorite that I got is one of the ones that they had from their holiday collection. This is the Hot Cocoa and Cream Shower Gel, and this stuff is amazing. This is my favorite, I think, holiday scent that they came out with. The fragrance notes on this one are creamy cacao, mini marshmallows, and vanilla musk. And this one smells amazing. It literally smells like, oh, it smells like a hot cup of hot chocolate. Oh, or like a chocolate cake or something. I just love it, and I cannot wait to use that. This is just like, it just smells divine to me. I love it. If you haven't already smelled this, pick this up. I can't even imagine. I know they have a candle that smells like this. Oh, and I'm sure that just smells amazing. And then the next one I got is this Live Fresh Seaside Breeze. This one is coconut water, GC nectarine, peach, beach blossoms, fresh air. That's an interesting scent that they added in there, fresh air, and sun-kissed musk. So this one I really do like the scent of. Oh yeah. It smells really good. I really do like this one. It's very fresh, very clean, very beachy scented. You definitely get that coconut water smell. Has a very light coconut scent. But to me, this smells like a tropical drink. It just smells so good. I mean, it smells amazing. It reminds me of Florida. It makes me want to move there like right now. Oh, love it. So I got that one. And then the last shower gel that I got is this Sweet Escape Strawberry Picnic Shower Gel. And this one, again, is amazing. I love it. It has a very strong strawberry scent to it, but I love the scent of strawberry. It smells so good. This one's fresh picked strawberry, juicy melon, pink wildflowers, sun-kissed oak, and dewy musk. And I do smell the strawberries and the little bit of the melon, but this one smells absolutely amazing, smells divine. Oh, love it. And then for the 2 body sprays, I got 2 of them. I got this Island White Sand Fine Fragrance Mist, and this one has Sparkling Tangelo, Sheer Sands, White Orchid, Island, Driftwood, and Coconut Water. And this one, oh my God. It smells so good. Just want to do a little sniff. Oh yeah. That smells so good. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. And then like towards the very end, you get this like really crisp, oh, like this wonderful smell. This one is amazing. Smells so, so good. If you guys like body spray. Woo. And then this one is the Pink Lily and Bamboo. This one's Wild Lily Petals, Bamboo Leaf, Pink Ginger, Fresh Fig, and Sauna Wood. And this one smells really good, but that Island Sand is amazing. So I'm going to spray just a little tad. This one smells really good as well. Very much more floral. You definitely smell like the lily and this like pink ginger. but this one smells really good. So I got 2 of these. Love these, and that's everything I got in the haul. So I didn't go like crazy with the hauling or anything, but I did get a lot of items. I love their shower gels, and I'm so happy. And I love the body sprays that I got. I am definitely going to be getting use out of those. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Be sure to stay tuned. I will be having more videos coming up this week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Let me know down below if you shopped the semi-annual sale and what did you pick up. I just love talking to you guys about hauls, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.